Thursday 26 January 2023. Yes, we are measuring the piping and the trenching for the irrigation pipes. You can see Kamata there with the cap. He is measuring where these pipes will be. We'll dig a trench and sink these pipes. These will be the main lines for the irrigation. So we're measuring the halfway mark for the 8 acre property. Yeah, it's been a long day, so forgive me. Yeah. So these 2 points is 2 points, point A and point B. There is where the road leads to the middle of the 8-acre plot will be located. So the irrigation is designed in such a way that the irrigation pipe will be on the side of the road. So this is just a temporary road where these pipes are. It will now be shifted to that side. Today I'm blending in, my t-shirt is blending in the vegetation. This is a trap. It's a trap. Yes. I'm the one who's going to be trapped now. Some type of bird.
Do you know how to buy a catapult? Yeah,
to chase the birds.
Some birds, some big birds, they were coming.
Really? Oh, that's why you had to put a scarecrow. Where I can put my shoe? Come. Vale. Yeah. He said to get to the corner, there's going to be a pipe.
Will come there?
No, from that corner to that corner, halfway.